Everything starts from the coffee farm, where ripe coffee cherries are carefully picked for the best quality. The cherries are processed to remove the outer fruit, revealing the coffee beans inside. The beans are dried to reduce moisture and preserve their natural flavor. Next, the beans are roasted at high temperature to create the rich coffee aroma. The roasted beans are finely ground to prepare for coffee extraction. Hot water extracts the concentrated coffee liquid from the ground beans. The liquid coffee is dried into instant granules using advanced technology. Finally, the instant coffee is packed into jars and sachets, ready for customers.
And that's how instant coffee reaches your cup, fresh, fast, and flavorful.